We are going to Germany. Yo, what a view. Very, very German looking with the field and houses like that. The flat landscapes looks like the World War II films. It's our first day here in the Black Forest in Germany. We went to a water park today with like a man-made lake and kids areas and play areas, stuff like that. It was really cool, and you can see a couple of clips. Nothing loads, I haven't done much photography or anything, so that'll be coming in a later clip or episode. I'm not sure how I'm structuring this. Very German with the fields and stuff. Looks like something you would see out of movies set in World War II with all like the cars driving down and stuff. Stereotypical Central European where it's not mountainous. And we also have some massive bees here and hornets and wasps. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Ben Betts. It's day 2 here in Germany and we are going to Freiburg today. Just to explore the city, I guess, and say that we've been there, have a look around, take some photos. So I'll be taking you along to take the photos, showing you the results, maybe doing some POV of taking them. We'll see. But yeah, day to explore Freiburg. It's already warm outside and it's 9 AM. Overexposed. Yeah, let's see what today has in store. Of course, I'll be bringing my cameras and shooting B-roll and stuff. So yet to see Freiburg with me. Driving to Freiburg right now, and we've stopped off at this spot with this ridiculous view of the Black Forest behind me. I've been getting some photos of it, and on my new phone as well, with a really good camera. Getting these flowers out of focus in the foreground. You'll see some of the photos in a moment when I put them on the video. You've got the Black Forest here, well, some of the Black Forest here. You've got the lake over there, which we drove past a while ago. Didn't plan to stop off, but just drove by this spot and had to take some photos here. So we're at the waterfall place now. I can hear it somewhere down there. I haven't seen it yet, but it's really hot. My phone says 26, but it feels more like 32. I don't even believe it is 26. I think I might be wrong. But look at the view behind me. These in the Black Forest are amazing. Not quite the tallest mountains of Switzerland, but it's like the foothills of the Alps. We've got these really impressive valleys everywhere where I'm getting some incredible photos. Yeah, I'll go and see the waterfall in a minute once my blood sugars come up a bit, which is obviously down there somewhere. Yeah. Look at the waterfall behind me now. Filming this on my phone, the Google Pixel Pro 6. Selfie camera widescreen. Yeah, what a view. And you got that over there. Ridiculous. We're in Freiburg right now. We're just coming to explore the city, take a few photos and stuff. Obviously I'll include them in the vlog as I always do. Don't know loads about Freiburg other than that they have a Bundesliga football team, so top division in Germany. They're a decent team at the moment as well. Yeah, in terms of the actual city, don't know much, although so far it's actually really pretty. been exploring Frankfurt for about an hour now, got another 20 minutes or so, and they have all like, well, they don't have it on the one road I choose to record the clip, but they have like gutters in the road with water running through, and they actually sell like little boats on stalls on the road which you can put in that water and play with, which is quite cool for children and stuff. Reminds me of Haarlem. I don't know if you see my vlogs from last year when I went to the Netherlands. Haarlem was a villagey town I went to on the way to going to Zandvoort, and it has a very similar vibe with a big cathedral and these little cobblestone side streets and stuff like that. It very much reminds me of Haarlem, as I mentioned to my parents earlier. But yeah, got a lot of good photos of the cathedral and the surrounding area and the streets here. Need to find some drink. It's boiling hot. It's like 28 degrees. Surprisingly hot for, well, not surprisingly, it's always going to be this hot, but it's not what people would stereotypically think as being a hot place, southern Germany. So yeah, quite pleasant to find that out. It's full of these very German looking buildings. Beautiful architecture, very much European, which is nice and great for photos.